Good evening, everyone. I am resorting to working later in the evening because it's so hot during the day, and even though I have my air conditioner on, it's still very hot in this room that I'm in because it's covered by 4 walls, and I'm also above the laundry room, and so this is the hottest room in the house. So during the day, this room is about 84 degrees, and that's with the air conditioner on and fans running and everything else. So I just decided that I'm going to work more in the evening when it's cooler in here and the sun's not blaring on the back of the house. So that way it just makes it easier for me to work in here and not sweat to death. Anyway, how is everyone this evening? Probably, considering it's almost 10 o'clock, you're either just getting up or you're just going to bed, one of the two. So tonight I said I was probably going to do turtle or frog, but I changed my mind. I have this cute little mold that I want to do that I forgot I had, and 'cause today I was kind of going through all my molds and I found this one and I thought, oh my goodness, I forgot I had this one. So I dug it out, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use color shift micas and maybe some chameleons. I don't know what we're going to do here, and some chameleon flakes. And I'm not going to tell you what it is until I'm done, because I don't want to ruin the surprise. I think it's going to be absolutely spectacular, and so I think it's I just want to leave it as a surprise for you guys because I think it's going to be cute. So let me get some brushes out here and we'll see what we can do here on this mold. And I don't know, you might be able to figure it out as I'm coloring the colors on it. And if you do, that's fine too. Okay, so the main part of this mold is going to be done in, I was going to use the seashell or the corn silk, but I think I want to stick with the seashell. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll use the corn silk, but that's going to be the majority of this mold. So I am going to wait to do that till last because I want to get these other colors on here first. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside, and I may see if I can stick this on something like maybe a cup, just so that I don't have to stretch my fingers out so much. I don't know, it may collapse the cup. The cup may not be strong enough. Well, yeah. Let's see if I can find something a little bit stronger to set it on. This water bottle. That might work since it's the outside of the mold. That's pretty good. That works. Since I'm working on the outside of the mold, and then I can lay it down. And I can see what I'm working on. Ha! Good tip, good tip, good tip. except for that part in there needs to come out like that versus in. Oh well, that's okay. I'll get to it. I'm going to do the whole shell and then I'll be right back. Oh my, what a mess. All right, I got her all covered. Let's see if I can get her back inside and back outside. Whew. What a mess. Did I cover that up already? Okay, I am going to mix up some black resin and we're going to get this baby filled up, and then it'll be morning obviously before this is ready to be taken out of the mold. So I will just tell everyone good night from here, and I will see you in the morning when this is cured. All right, guys, see you in the morning. Good night, sweet dreams. Good morning, everyone. Oh, let me turn my fan down. Sorry about that. Okay. Extra resin. All right, you guys ready to get this out of this mold and see what this is if you didn't figure it out, and see how good of a job I did with trying to figure out how to put it on backwards? All right, here we go. I did run my resin through the vacuum chamber before I poured it in here because, and this is a soap mold, so it's not going to be shiny, just an FYI. Sorry. There. Once you get it over that hump, it's kind of easier to get out. Oh, I see some left on the mold. All right. You guys ready? Oh, Lord. Okay, ready? I mean, it's not that bad. There's only a couple places where looks like I didn't get any resin right there. I mean, any powder right there. The tip of her nose, right there, 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 right there. Oh, goodness. Oh, and right on the end of her arm. That's all right. I can fix it. Not a problem. But isn't she cute? She's a little mermaid. I thought this mold was adorable. I'll fix it right up and you'll never even be able to know. So yeah, it's cute. And you guys know how I fix things, so I will get these fixed and then I will put photos of her at the end of the video. But she's so cute. Isn't she cute? And it sits up like this. It's cute. I had to do the tail in that those chameleon flakes. I think that was supposed to be the shell. That was really hard to do backwards. Really hard to do. And the tip of her nose. But all in all, I think I did pretty good. This back here should have been her hair color, which is not a problem. I can fix that too. And that should have been her hair color. Yeah. I couldn't squeeze the mold because I didn't want the chameleon powder to come off. But other than that, I think she turned out pretty cute. But anyway, I will I'm surprised there's not bubbles in this, just for the simple fact of all those little divots in the shell. But there's zero. Anyway, I thought she was cute, so I will fix her and get her, get pictures of her at the end of the video, because I mean, you guys know how I fix these. And if anybody that's new to my channel, if you don't know how to fix me or fix them, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I will, well, actually I'll link the video. That's what I'll do. I'll link my fix it video at the end of the video, because you know, when I do the on my end screen, I can link a video. That's what I'll link, is my fix it video at the end, so that way it'll refer you to that video. So all right guys, that's my project for today, and she's so cute. I'm going to attempt the suggestion that was made. I still haven't put UV resin on this. I mean, resin on this, not UV resin, resin. I'm gonna try my pins, my Light Wish pins on the tattoo before I put resin on it, just to see if it'll work, you know, on the sunflower like it was suggested. And then I will put resin on top of this, get a picture of it in the video at the end of this video, and then I will choose a suggested color for this and also for this, and get these at the end of this video as well. So I will get that all done, get them in the end of the video, and then I'll move on to the next. I've got a couple projects that I think I've got figured out, and we'll move on to those. All right, guys, let me know what you think about my little mermaid in a shell. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.